Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Tesla Look Android unit in a 2018 Ram 1500. It's a brand new car and it's a 2018 Ram 1500 Express Crew Cab. So car came with factory backup camera and a 4-inch factory screen, Uconnect screen, and we replace it to our Tesla Look unit. So this is the Tesla Look unit that we installed. It's perfectly fine and it's matched and blending to the factory spot. And this is the factory radio with 4-inch Uconnect and the climate controller and the hazard light. Hazard light retains here, and climate control right now it's fully touch, so you can control all those factory options on the same screen. Navigation is installed. That's offline map. You can use online maps as well. That's where we are located, on 160 Conrad Crescent. We are in Markham, Ontario. And the factory backup camera, by going to reverse, it comes up with a dynamic parking guideline. And also we can go like to multimedia function.
No. Yes, you are. Can somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing? Justin, you didn't think you could get any better, huh?
So basically it's kind of like home theater inside this truck now. All the apps are installed, like Google Maps. You can use Google Maps, you can use Waze, you can go to Gmail, and that's the radio, and everything is kind of picture in picture. If you're interested to get this type of units for your Ram, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.